Very good evening, Eklavya. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so what was our topic?
Our topic was atomic structure.
Okay, so then tell me what is the atomic structure?
Now, atomic structure is basically the study of what the atoms are made of and how they behave.
Okay. Tell me that atom theory of the matter was given by whom?
John Dalton, 1890.
What is the size of an atomic?
Ma'am, it's 10 to the power 10 minus 10 meters, which is very, very small.
What are the fundamental particles of the an atoms?
Ma'am, proton, neutron, and electrons.
Nucleus of the an atomic consists by?
Proton and neutrons.
By whom instrument nucleus is measured?
Fermi. Nucleus is basically sized to 10 to the power minus 15 meter, which is very small, even smaller than the atom itself.
Who was the discovered electron?
Ma'am, J.J. Thomson.
Which particle is not the present in nucleon?
Ma'am, electrons.
Who was the discovered proton?
Ma'am, Rutherford.
Who was the discovered of Newton?
Chadwick.
In which year? 1932. What was the value of 1 mole?
Ma'am, 1 mole is 6.023 into 10 to the power minus 23, which is very small.
Which metal was used by Rutherford in this alpha screening experiment?
Gold, because gold distributed to alpha particles very evenly.
The atoms which have same mass number but different atomic number are called is?
Isotope.
What is isotope?
Ma'am, isotopes are basically like atoms which have same mass, but they have different atomic numbers.
Okay. The atomic which have same atomic number but different mass number are called is?
Isotopes. These are basically the opposite of isotopes.
Okay. Tell me something more in atomic structure.
Atomic structure is more about like how atoms behave with each other and how they form molecules and how molecules form everything else. These are basically this study shows that how atoms behave and how they can influence our lives. Plus, atoms are made up of even more deeper things. For example, neutrons and protons, these are made up and down quarks. But that is stepping into quantum physics, and that is a different topic.